Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan, business author, speaker. Welcome to this YouTube video entitled, let me look at my notes here, A Risk-Free Investment Strategy for Conservative Investors. A risk-free investment strategy for conservative investors. It's the only one I could morally recommend. I get people asking me, how should I invest my money? I take risk in the stock market. Sometimes I do well, sometimes I don't. Sometimes my stocks, like once a week or two ago, went down 25% one day, and it hurts. There's no way I'm going to recommend that to anybody. This is the most risk-free investment strategy I could recommend to anybody. You will not get rich on this strategy, but your money will be safe and you'll earn a decent rate of return. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about investing in treasury bills, 3 months and 6 month treasury bills. To do that, I'm going to have to look at my notes here. You have to open an account with the U.S. Treasury. It's called a Treasury Direct account. You do it. There's no commissions on this. You deal directly with the Treasury. That's, if you're at a party, it's probably bragging rights. You could say, hey, I deal directly with the Treasury. They, the Treasury and I are just like this. We're buddies. Anyways, you go to www.treasurydirect.gov. Let me repeat that again. Treasurydirect.gov. That's TREASURY direct, DIRECT.gov. And you go to the upper right corner and select open an account, and then go from there. You need your bank account, checking account number, routing number, social security, email address, and probably your address and all that stuff. So this is what you do. You go in and open an account with the Treasury Direct, and then you buy treasury bills, and I recommend 3 months and 6 months. When I invested in treasury bills a long time ago, this is a long time ago, friends, the minimum investment was $10,000. And then they lowered it, I believe they lowered it to 1,000. I'm going by memory, okay? I could be wrong. They lowered it to 1,000, and I think then they lowered it to 500. You know what it is now? The minimum investment? It's $100. $100. So you have to invest in increments of $100. 100, 200, 500, 1,000. You get the drift. So you open a Treasury Direct account and you start buying 3 months and 6 months. Why not put some money into 3 months and some into 6 months? Now, as of the date of this presentation, which you could see below, I'm going to look here again at my notes because I want to get it right. The 3 month Treasury bill is yielding 4.32%. These change daily because they're traded. It's the most liquid market in the world, U.S. Treasuries. But as of the date of this presentation, it closed 4.32%. The 6 month closed at 4.57%. Understand? Now, Treasury securities, including Treasury bills, are state income tax free. You pay no state income tax, but you do pay federal tax. Can't get away from that. You got to pay Uncle Sam. But if you live in a high tax state, like California, for instance, where I live, let's just say you're in the 10% bracket, which is very easy to do. If you have taxable income in this state, about $62,000 taxable income, you're in the 10% bracket. I mean, great majority probably have 62,000 taxable income. But so what would that be equivalent to a CD, which is fully taxable state and federal? Like I said, a three months Treasury bill is yielding 4.32%. That would be equivalent to 4.80% fully taxable. The 6 month is equal to, I said 4.57%. Fully taxable, to compare like to like, that would be 5.08%. So you go ahead and put some money in a 3 month and some money into a 6 month. 3 months then comes up If you need the money, it'll be automatically put into your checking account. If you don't need it, you go ahead and renew it to a 6-month. You understand? Into a 6-month. Then 3 months after that, that 6-month T-bill that you originally bought is going to mature. So what you do, if you don't need the money, you go ahead and put it into another 6-month. By doing this, every 3 months, a T-bill will be maturing. Either could roll it over, or if you have another investment you want to put it in, it goes into your checking account and you could go ahead and buy another investment, whatever it is. This is a conservative investment. It is the most conservative investment I can recommend to anyone. It is also risk-free. It's the only one I can morally recommend where it's completely risk-free. Do this. This is not really supposed to be long-term. You could make it long-term. You just do it when you have a lot of cash and you don't know what to do with it for a while and then as it matures and you have some ideas what you want to invest in, fine. But in the meantime, put it into 3 months and 6-month treasury bills and just roll it over if you don't need it. That's it. Anyways, I've spoken long enough. I think you understand what I'm talking about. Go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. And the times we're in right now, these are very volatile times, especially in the financial markets. Very volatile. And if you want to be conservative, really conservative, and completely safe, then go to 3-month and 6-month treasury bills. And you'll be safe. That's it. You'll be safe. There's one thing you could do for me. I would appreciate it very much. Hopefully I gave you some good advice. Maybe you could do me a favor. Could you subscribe to my channel? I appreciate it. Until we meet again, take care. Remember, liquidity is king, not Elvis. And treasury bills are extremely liquid. Take care now, my friends. I'll see you again.